So this is a room tour of Endless Summer Surfside Inn, room 2729.
I'm in.
Hello. So yeah, this is Endless Summer Surfside Inn. First come in, you've got plenty of room for your luggage. We're checking out today. So I think I'd rather give a room tour at the end than at the start, because you can sort of give your perspective of what you liked and what you didn't like. Nice big mirror. And then you come into the bathroom. It's got one sink. These are the products you get. So you get renewing shampoo, hydrating conditioner, gentle facial soap and a cleansing bath bar. Some towels, tissues and a hairdryer. Plenty of room underneath. I basically kept my sort of pants and socks down there, and I kept my t-shirts up here, and Steph had. We both had some hangers, and there was drawers down here for the luggage. So there's 3 of these that are quite big. So that's the bathroom facilities, and you've got aircon, which has been pretty consistent, hasn't it?
Very good.
So what's next, Stephanie?
So you've done the bathroom.
Oh, quickly the bathroom, yeah. We've got toilet, which is totally fine, and the shower is nice and big. It's just one knob that you turn, and it's single heat, and it looks like that. So we go adjoining room.
Yeah, we did have an adjoining room, but obviously that was locked. I would advise, if you book a room and you're on your own, maybe asking to not have an adjoining room if possible, because you do get quite a lot of noise. It's notoriously quite a noisy hotel anyway. Like, the walls quite thin, but I think that was particularly worse. So yeah, you've got all this with coffee making facilities. There's a little bench under there, and then a little chair in this corner.
Your cups of tea. From a Brit's perspective, you can make a cup of tea out of that.
Yeah, you can make a cup of tea out of all the coffee machines, just run water through.
Yeah, so you just basically put water in there and tea bag in your mug. Oh,
Little mini fridge. Has kept my milk cold all week, so.
we've got water bottles in there as well. Take them out for later. We're checking out today. We're on a cruise when we go through the seas, so there'll be some videos for that as well. There's trash can, and then this is what they give you when you first check in. We are currently located in Tower 2, looking this way, so we can see all of City Walk and all of like Volcano Bay and all the theme parks. We had an issue with check-in, but we'll go over that at the end. We got some vouchers, but we'll explain what happened there. TV was severely average, just all American channels. You can't like do any YouTube streaming. A bit frustrating. We kind of like sort of just putting on random videos here and there. Beds are very comfy. 2 pillows per bed, and you get this many plugs. 2 plugs, a USB-C and a USB regular. You both get a light.
Yeah, so there's no ceiling light.
Yeah, so the one light switch. So if you hold that, is the whole room is this. So you have to sort of like turn those ones on, turn this one off, and then when you go to bed, you can turn that one off.
Yeah.
But
So the light switch does just the bathroom lights, and then you've just got these 2 over.
There's one there we never used, did we? That's a floor light.
Yeah, and there's like a lamp there.
Yeah. I'm just going to show you the view.
Okay.
Put the filter on. So this is the view from our room. It's not listed as a Volcano Bay room, but it should be, because you can see Volcano Bay there. You've got Cabana Bay, Aventura, Royal Pacific. No, Sapphire Falls, Royal Pacific, the 2 theme parks, and then way in the back you can see the Hard Rock and potentially Portofino Bay. Right on our drive, so you've got pretty much everything around that you need. There's a Subway, there's a place there. You see the Twisted Tea next door, it's called Arcade Monsters. We went in there for about 3 hours. It was £25 each. $25 each, and it was unlimited, like pinball and games and stuff. That was amazing. And then across the road they've got a Walgreens. So we're filming this on 10th of January 2025. Sorry, right, 1 negative and 1 positive. The negative was when we checked in, it charged us the wrong fee for the hotel. resulted in us getting about £224 too much. I went down and I tried to figure out what had happened, and then had a tiny little moan, and they gave us some vouchers for free drinks. So we had 4 of those. We're going to use them this morning for the Starbucks. And the positive was the buses for me in location. You had one issue with the bus, didn't you? Well, not an issue, but it wasn't waiting for you. But every time I got the bus, there was literally a bus waiting, and even from City Walk back. So I think I managed to do Velocicoaster one night, left the hotel room at 6:10, and I was on Velocicoaster at 7:10. So we have Premier Pass, so we get the Fast Pass after 4 p.m. But yeah, it's been amazing. So I would recommend it if you can get a good price.
Main positive for me has been that it's been really, really clean, and like they come in and clean every day.
Yeah.
So I've been impressed with that. Main negative.
Noise. The first few days, maybe.
Yeah, just a bit noisy. Yeah, the noise probably is the thing that's been the most frustrating, but it's been a bit better the last few days. I think the hotel's been quieter. But I think if you're coming at a very busy time, and like I say, maybe in retrospect should have asked to not have an adjoining room. But yeah, I really like the location as well.
Yeah. We thought it was going to be further away than it was, didn't we? Like from getting in and out, because we've stayed at the other hotels just mentioned, like Royal Pacific and Sapphire Falls with the boats. But in reality, time-wise, you're travelling further, but you're getting there pretty quick.
Yeah, I mean, I found it you feel a bit out of Universal. I much prefer staying at the ones that are like on the
City Walk.
lagoon, basically.
Yeah.
But I didn't really feel like I was in a Universal hotel necessarily. But I really like the location in terms of iDrive.
Yeah. One last thing then. So we've parked as well for this time. So you park in the garage here. You have to walk into the entrance there. But you've got the buses there and the Ubers and stuff there. We never used the pool because it was closed a few days and it's been really cold. But overall, give it 7 out of 10.
Yeah, I would stay here again.
Yeah. If the price is right.
Definitely good value.
Yeah. We haven't tried the food either or anything. We've just had the coffee. But yeah. Cheers for watching. If you found it useful, let us know.